Hello guys, Brko Banks here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make $7,500 per month on YouTube just re-uploading videos. So this is going to be step-by-step tutorial never seen before guys, so make sure to watch this video till end. And also if you're new to my YouTube channel guys, make sure to press that subscribe button because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, so you don't want to miss that upcoming videos. So guys, let's jump straight to this video and tutorial. So what type of videos we're going to create? So you can see right here, this channel has 1.2 million subscribers and they're uploading not copyrighted music. So to explain you guys how this works, let's click on videos. You don't need to get millions of views per video because you're going to upload multiple videos per day with just simple trick that I'm going to show you guys how you can get this type of videos very easily and how you can create them. And also right here you can see that they don't have millions of views per video, but how are they growing this channel? How are they getting views? I want to show you guys example. So you can see I can play this music and I'm not going to get copyright strike. The reason why is you can see right here in the description they're uploading not copyrighted music, so you can use this music in your videos. So right here you can see in the description it says, so you don't, this type of music and videos don't have any copyrighted material, so you can go and use them in your own videos and you're not going to get copyright strike. So I want to show you guys what this channel is doing wrong in my opinion, and that is they don't have many uploads. So if I would do this method daily, I would upload from, let's say, 5 to 10 videos per day. The reason why is you can find really easily this not copyrighted music and just upload it on YouTube, create your own thumbnail. I'm going to show you guys where you can get these thumbnails, beautiful thumbnails, and how you can go and, let's say, push from 5 to 10 videos per day. So let's say this channel is getting around $2 per 1,000 views. The reason why they're getting about $2, it is very low, but they're getting that amount because they are uploading music and advertisers don't spend that much money on music. So that is why you're going to earn around $2 per 1,000 views, which is very low. But right here you can see how it can add up. Let's say this channel has got 5.7 million views in last 30 days. So we're going to divide that by 1,000 views and we are going to multiply it by $2 per 1,000 views. So this channel could easily make $11,000 just from ad revenue. And that is really crazy because they're not doing a lot of work. And as I said, if I would have on my YouTube channel, let's say 10,000 videos, and every single video is getting only 100 views per day. So from 10,000 videos, 100 views per day, that channel would get 1 million views per day, which is actually crazy. So the most important part about this method is uploads. You want to have as many uploads as you can. Second example is this channel audio library. So you can see right here they are also uploading some not copyrighted music, many videos, and they're again doing it wrong in my opinion. They're uploading only one video per day. You can see they have 3 videos in one day, but that is not enough. So I want to show you guys how you can go and get these videos for free, re-upload them, and get paid through AdSense. So just to show you guys example of this channel, you can see that they're getting much more views. They're getting around from 500,000 to 600,000 views every single day, which could add up to, let's say, from $1,000 to $1,200 every single day passive income. So that is really crazy, guys. and I want to show you guys how you can go and get these videos. So as you can see in the title, they're saying that this music is not copyrighted. So what you can do is you can go and re-upload all of this content from all of these channels. You can go and type in YouTube not copyrighted music, find tons and tons of different channels, and just go and re-upload these videos. But you don't want just to download the video and upload it on your channel, so YouTube is not going to promote it that way. What you need to do is, for example, let's click on this video. So right here you can see again it is not copyrighted music. So what you want to do is you want to take the link of this video, go on YouTube, download any that you can find online. I'm using this one, you can see right here. It is free. Just paste your URL right here. You can go and download with a video or MP3 file. So let's go and download MP3 file. It is going to take just a few moments, and we're going to download the music from the video. So I'm going to show you guys how you can create your own unique video that way. So right here you can see we have downloaded the music. Now what we need to do is we need to find some thumbnail that we can go and post in our video. So we want to post this image, and in background we can play this music. So what are we going to do is we are going to go on Unsplash. That is the website that I use to download free images. You can go and go on, for example, nature. You can find really amazing thumbnails. You can see, let's say we're going to use this one. I don't know why, but let's say we're going to use it, and we're going to click on right here, download for free. So let's go and download this image, and it is going to take a few moments to start downloading this. So what are we going to do now is we're going to take this music and this image, and we're going to create a video from it. So just to show you guys, you can go and find any any online video editor, so you can create your videos for free, but I'm using Camtasia Studio. So if you want to use anything else, just go on Google, type in online video editor or free video editor. You can find tons of other video editors you can use for free, or you can also create these videos online if you want to. So I'm using Camtasia Studio, so you're going to use the same method to create these videos. So I have this music and this image. So what are we going to do is we're going to paste right here our image, and we're going to put our music in our video. So what are we going to do is we're going to match the resolution of the video, and right here you can see we're going to put the same length of the video. And what you also want to do is you don't want to create, let's say this video is just a second, this video right here is 3 minutes and 3 seconds long. You don't want to create exactly 3 minutes and 3 seconds long. So you want to go, for example, and cut 2 seconds or 3 seconds of the video. So you can see right here, our video is now 3 minutes long. So when you want to go and edit this video, that is how you can do it. And what you want to do now is click on share and just render this video. So it took us around 20 seconds just to create one video for our YouTube channel. And if you want to, you can see just, we're going to play the music. You can see it is playing in the background, and you're showing some beautiful image that you have found on Unsplash. So that way you can go and re-upload a lot of these videos, post it on your YouTube channel, and once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your videos with ads. I think that this is one of the easiest ways to make money online, to make money on YouTube. And guys, if you want to learn more on how you can create a really successful business from your YouTube channel, uploading simple videos, I have a YouTube course step by step where I teach you guys how I make money on YouTube with the small channels, and also how to create YouTube content, what type of content should you post on your YouTube channel so you can get $20 per 1,000 views and more, how to create thumbnails, record videos, post videos, and also how you can rank your videos. So when someone is searching, for example, how to find free music or free music for YouTube channel, how you can show up at first place. So that is everything that I teach in my YouTube course. If you want to check it out, click on buy button right here. And I have a coupon code for all my YouTube subscribers. Click on add coupon code, enter 40. And when you click on apply, you're going to get $40 off your purchase. So that is for all my YouTube subscribers. If you want to check it out, make sure to click the first link in the description. And also, if you want to see more videos like this on how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, make sure to press that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon and bye.